In today's video, we are going to show you how to update Mozilla Firefox to the latest version so you can enjoy better security, new features, and improved performance. Let's begin. Now, first of all, go ahead and open Mozilla Firefox on your computer and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and click the Help button. Here, I want you to click the About Firefox. Now, Firefox will automatically show if there is any check for updates here. Since my browser is currently updated, so there is no need for that. Another option that you can do is again go to the three horizontal lines, go to Settings, go to the General tab, scroll down until you find Firefox Updates. Okay, so click the Check for Updates. Now remember, if Firefox is already updated, you will see a message saying Firefox is up to date. It's super simple. You also have the option to allow Firefox to automatically install updates, which is highly recommended, especially when Firefox is not running. Or if you want, you could also check this box to check for updates, but let you choose to install them. This setting will apply to all Windows accounts and Firefox profiles using this installation of Firefox. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video on how to update Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.